So a bit of a walkthrough on today's job. This customer's had the new bifacial panels. You can see he's had 12 panels. These are the PMAR 430 watts, and they're really efficient panels. This customer's also had a GivEnergy 5 kilowatt hybrid with a 5.12 battery. This is the generation 3 battery as well. He's also had it all installed in a nice little location. A little walk through outside his house. Let's see young Harrison in the garden, lad. So this is the system. Looks nice and neat. You've got the 5 kilowatt inverter at top, hybrid, and you've got 5.12 Gen 3 battery storage at the bottom. Yeah, obviously you've got your AC and DC isolators just there. We've also hardwired this one for the internet. Yeah, that's the system. And what we did with this one is straight through to the fuse board, which is located in the kitchen under the plinths. Straight to the fuse board. Customers already put it all back, but fuse board just under there. So you've got your GivEnergy meter on the left, then you've got your bi-directional meter, you got your breakers, you got your supply for your GivEnergy, SPD and main switch. Job's a fish.